Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets for Tuesday the 13th of May. I'm going to move on to sterling dollar now, and I was a little bit disparaging of the euro early on in my morning report and saying that other FX majors had been stronger yesterday, but it looks like the sterling has had a significant turnaround in sentiment in the last hour or so. And that is, although the daily chart continues to remain nicely supported around this $1.68 level, between 168 and 168.40 is the nice basis of support. The intraday chart is now deteriorating. I'll move quickly towards the intraday, and you've got this uptrend that had been the basis of support over the past 3 weeks. That is now become the basis of resistance. Also, we are now looking at this 200-hour moving average, which once more had been a decent basis of support throughout this uptrend, being used on several occasions as the support throughout late April and then early May, and now yesterday has become the resistance. So that is also an indicator we're now going to have to look at. So the 200-hour moving average and the old uptrend, which has now become resistance. Furthermore, as I said, in the last couple of hours, the cable has started to deteriorate. It's broken back below the 68.60 mark, and it's now beginning to accelerate downwards again. 68.45 is the initial support, and then 68.30 is yesterday's low, or the overnight low from the weekend, and then we're looking back at 68.20. So a couple of levels there to be watching out for, but certainly at the moment this is a little bit, to be honest, a little bit surprising, because I thought cable was going to be just finding support nicely around that 68 big figure to 68.40 level on the daily chart, which I talked about earlier, which is the basis of support. That support band there, 68 big figure to 68.40, is the basis of support, but at the moment it's drifting backwards again, which I'm, as I said, finding a little bit surprising. However, this is possibly now back. If you do get a move back into that 68 area, I think that would still just be a chance to buy. But you do have these momentum indicators here that are still on the brink of being positive. This RSI back towards 54 is just in positive territory, although you've already had this corrective phase play out, which is what we've seen over the past few days here. But back towards 50, if it now starts to break below 50, you'd start to think that there's a little bit more legs in the correction. But at the moment, I'm still thinking 68 to 68.40 is a basis of support that is probably should be looked upon as a chance to buy. So yeah, just a few conflicting signals there in terms of the daily outlook versus the intraday outlook, because, as I said, these resistances here of the underneath underside of the old uptrend, and also the 200-hour moving average, which is around 69 big figure, are sort of now holding the advance back, or the recovery back, but I'm still of the opinion that 68 to 68.40 is a buying area that we'll be looking at. Okay, well, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today. As I said earlier, the retail sales at 3 o'clock could have 1:30 for the retail sales there could have an impact on this chart, but until then, I wish you good luck in your trading. Thank you.